Students, welcome to our video lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to consider cost of living index number by total expenditure method. Now let us revise. Explicit weight is basically assigned in two ways. The first method we have already covered, which is family budget method. And the second method we are going to cover today, and that is total expenditure method. So let us revise what is weight. The relative importance attached to a commodity, students, is called as weight. In family budget inquiry, we have 5 basic commodities: food, clothing, house rent, fuel and electricity, and miscellaneous. Each of these items is given different importance, and that relative importance attached to an item or a commodity is called its weight. By family budget method, whenever we are finding cost of living index number, I am writing in short CLIN, that is sigma IW upon sigma W, where I is P1 upon P0 into 100 and weight is P0 Q0. Here, when Q0 is given in its Bayesian quantity, we use Laspeyres formula sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. And when Q1 is given, we use Parsh's formula, which is sigma P1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So, nutshell, this is a revision of formulas for cost of living index number. I told you, students, the formula for cost of living index number is very important, because in exam, every alternate year, or say every year, one short sum or long sum based on cost of living index number is always asked. Now let us complete today exercise 1.4. We did question 1, we did question 2, and we did question 4 in the last lecture, students. Today we are going to complete exercise 1.4 by doing questions 3 and question 5. Now question 3 reads as follows: compute the cost of living index number by the method of total expenditure from the following data. So I give the title as this: question number 3, the table to obtain cost of living index number by total expenditure method is as below. Now, the first column I am making is of items or group A, B, C, D, E, and total. Then unit. Students, unit is given. That is of much importance. Then Bayesian quantity Q0, Bayesian price P0, current year's price P1. Now students, this concept of unit has got much importance in the sum. Now unit of item A given is in the sum is quintal. Now 1 quintal is 100 kg. I told you. In the answer we have to write the smallest multiple of quintal, which is 1 kg. So here I have to write 1 kg or simply a kg. Then for item B it is 20 kg, so it is a multiple of kg. So the smallest unit is 1 kg. Then 10 liter, it is multiple of liters, so 1 liter. Then item B dozen, 1 dozen is 12 piece, so it is a multiple of piece, so 1 piece. And for E it is meter, so 1 meter. Now, recall our exercise 1.3. Whenever units are given in the question, we have to write price by dividing the price in given unit. So, when I am writing price P0 of base, check the question. 1 quintal is costing 1200 rupees. So 100 kg is costing 1200 rupees. So per kg 1200 upon 100, and that is 12. Then students, the next thing, 20 kg. Okay, now students, all of you please concentrate. Now students, 20 kg is costing 340 rupees. So per kg, how much? 340 divided by 20, so 17. Then 10 liter is costing 30 rupees. So per liter, how much? Then 3 rupees. Then 1 dozen is costing 15 rupees. So per piece, it is how much? 15 divided by 12. Students, what is 15 divided by 12? Then students, the answer is 1.25. Then 1 meter is costing 12 rupees as it is. Quantity, there is no change. 15, 18, 12. 15, 18, 12. Then 20 and then 14. No need of this totals. Now P1, divide the price by the unit. 1 quintal is costing 1700. So per kg 17 rupees. Then 20 kg is costing 380. Per kg 90. Then 10 liter is costing 40. So per liter 4. 1 dozen is costing 24. So per piece 24 by 12. So 2 rupees. And 1 meter is costing 16. This doesn't require a total. Now Q0 is given, and the method is total expenditure method. And Q0 is given, so I have to use last year's formula. For that, I require only 2 columns, P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. So P1 Q0 17 into 50, 17 5s are 85, so 850. Then 18 into 90, so 342. Then 12 4s are 48, then 40. And 14 into 16 is 224. Okay, this total comes out to be 1504. Now P0, Q0, 12 5 is 60, so 600. Then 18 into 17, it is 306. Then 12 is a 36. Then 20 into 1.25 is 25. And the last is 14 12s, which is how much? 168. So let us check what is this total of P0 Q0. 1135. So I am writing here cost of living index number is equal to sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 into 100, 1504 upon 1135 into 100, and this is simplified as 132.51. So this is the final answer. Whenever unit column is given in the question, we have already studied this. Divide the price by the given unit in the question and then write it in the answer. I repeat, divide the price by the given unit in the question and then write the price P0, P1 in the answer. This is what we are following. Otherwise, this is going to be, students, very, very easy. Is it okay? Now, students, we are doing question number 5. This sum we have to again do by two methods. The first is by total expenditure method and second is by family budget method. Okay, what we can do is have a common column for both. And let us concise this table. So I am erasing the title. And we are cutting short. Students, I am erasing the title and I am rewriting the table to obtain cost of living index number by total expenditure and family budget method is as given. Now, unit is directly given per piece, so it is very easy, students. This question becomes very easy. Per unit items are sari, then dhoti, then shirti, and other. And then total unit is per piece, shirting, so per meter, and the other clothing may be also per meter. Which quantity is given? 10 is base year, so Q0, P0, P1. No need of any division because the price is per unit. So as it is. Then base year's price 370, 32.4 and 20.9. Okay, fair. Current year's price 400, 100, 38 and 23.8. Now we have to go by family budget method as well as by total expenditure method. Total expenditure method, Q0 is given, so we will use last year's formula. So the first column which I made is P1 Q0, P0 Q0, and this is indirectly weight also. Then I, which is P1 upon P0 into 100, and last column will be I. Okay, P1 Q0. So P1 Q0 400 into 5. So the first value is 2000. 100 into 8. So 800. 38 into 2. So 760. And 23.8 into 50 will be 357. And this total comes out to be 3917. P0 300 into 5. So 1500. 7 8s are 56. This will be 648. Okay. And 15 into 20.9. So 313.5. And this total comes out to be 3021.5. Okay, index number is not showing calculation. 400 upon 300 into 100. So 133.3. Directly writing 400 upon 300 upon 70 into 100. So 142.9. Then 38 upon 32.4 into 100. So 117.3. Where TTA students to again refer. 23.8 upon 20.9. So 113.9. This total was not required. Now I will do 1500 into 133.3. That comes out to be 1,99,950. 1,99,950. 142.9 into 560. That comes out to be 80024. Then students 117.3 into 648, 76,010.4. And last 113.9 into 313.5, 35,707.65. And this total of IW comes out to be 3,91,692.05. 3,91,692.05. Totals the columns once again with utmost care. Now, cost of living index number by family budget method. Is nothing but sigma IW upon sigma W. So 3,91,692.05 upon 3021.5. So this is equal to 129.64. And cost of living index number by total expenditure method is sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 into that denominator is same. So 3917 upon 3021.5 to 100. And this is also 129.64. So definitely students, we can check here that cost of living index number by both the method comes out to be same. Cost of living index number by both the method is fortunately same. Now students, we complete exercise 1.4. A long exercise, a long sum, as it was asked to do students by both the method. Here we were asked to do the sum by both methods. Now students, exercise 1. Now students, exercise 1. We are doing question number 2. Compute the index number for the year 2015 with base year 2010 by the method of total expenditure. Students, we are asked to do the sum by total expenditure method. Exercise 1, section E, sum number 2. So I start with the table to obtain cost of living index number by total expenditure method. Is as below. The first column I made of given items, which are A, B, C and D, and then total. No unit given. Very good. So Q0, P0, P1. Various quantity is given. 8, 4, 4 and 16. Various price 10, 30, 40 and 20. Current year's price 14, 42, 80 and 26. Okay students, so here you can say the calculations are comparatively very easy. So this is comparatively, you can say, the easiest sum. Okay, now students, simply we have to go for the next two columns. As Q0, various quantity is given, we will apply last year's formulas to make the columns of P1 Q0 and of course P0 Q0. So a 14 into 8. So the first column we have to make is 14 into 8, 112. Then 42 into 4, so 168. Then 80 into 4, 320. And 60 into 26 will be 416. And this total comes out to be 1016. P0, Q0, 80. Then 120, 160 and 320. So this total comes out to be 680. So cost of living index number by total expenditure method will be sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 to 100. So 1016 divided by 680 into 100, and the final answer comes out to be 149.41. So if I interpret this, then from 149.41, if I subtract 100, then cost of living in the current year has increased by 49.41% compared to that which is in the base year. So you can check. This is going to be very easy. Okay, now students, we are doing one more sum, and that is the third sum, the last sum for the lecture. Then students, we will conclude. Okay, compute the index number by total expenditure method for the year 14, taking 13 as the base. Okay, students. Now, let us erase this columns. The title, of course, remains same. So, the table to compute cost of living index number by total expenditure method is as below. Now, the given items are wheat, rice, bajra, and tuer dal, and then of course total. Now students, current year's quantity is given Q1. Then current year's price, so P1, and then base year's price. Okay, no problem. 15, 10, 5, and 3. Price, current year's price 24, 45, 20, and 90. Okay. Base year's price 20, 40, 60, and 80. Now, when current year's quantity is given in total expenditure method, we prefer item. For item, I need these two columns, P1, Q1, and P0, Q1. That's all. So let us make those columns, P1, Q1. P1, Q1, so 15 into 24. So how much? 360. Then 450. Then 100. And then 9 is 27. So 270. So what is total of P1, Q1? 1180. Okay, P0 and Q1. 15, 20 is 300, 400, 80, and of course 240. So this total turns out to be 1020. And here I write simply Q1 200. So this changes, or means the answer is 1180 upon 1020 into 100, and this gives us 115,69. So the cost of living index number by total expenditure method in this question is 115.69. If I want to interpret, then students, the increase in cost of living in the current year compared to the base year is 115.69 minus 100, so 15.69. This gives us the interpretation. That's all, students. This sum is done. So today we revised both the concepts. Explicit weight is given by two methods, family budget method and total expenditure method. In total expenditure method, when Q0 is given, no new formula, last year's formula, and when Q1 is given, past year's formula we use. So this is the only sum demonstrating past year's formula, because Q1 is given and Q1 is the quantity of current year. So here we conclude. Thank you, students.